Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Ethereum from Metamask to Phantom Wallet. So we're going to start off in Phantom Wallet. You want to click on receive and then go to Ethereum and click on the link to copy it. This will copy your wallet address, and now we'll go back to Metamask and hit send. Now, this is where we want to paste our wallet address for Phantom. And there we go. It'll automatically be in Ethereum, but you can change the coins to whatever you need it to be. And obviously, I have no funds. You need to have enough Ethereum to cover your transfer as well as gas. Then from there, you'll just hit continue and they'll review your order and you'll confirm it and done and dusted. The transfer should be almost immediate, though there are fees involved, so do keep in mind you don't just need to have 2 Ethereum to send to Ethereum. You'd need a little bit extra. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.